welcome to another video. I've come down to Los Roques this morning to show you these areas where this landmass has broken away, and then we're going to take a walk down the coast towards Punta Brava. So let's go. Banana plantation there. Yeah, it's 20 degrees today. Bit overcast if you can look up in the sky, but pleasant day for a little walk. Let's go. There's some people over there. Looks like they're climbing onto the rock. Maybe not, maybe on the land behind it. So there's two pathways here. This pathway that I'm on will take you down to that little rocky beach there, and then there's one just behind these overgrown tree roots that'll take you all the way to San Pedro. Lots of ramblers and hikers like this pathway. It's a little bit hairy underfoot. See how the land's been coming down here. Look at this. Nearly down at the bottom. There we go, I've made it. Yeah, these have broken away through the constant pounding of the land by the sea over millions of years. They're quite impressive though, aren't they? You can see how far we've come down, and that's the problem. I've now got to go back. Here we go. And that's the start point there. This part is pretty unstable, to be honest. It looks like something's hit the barriers here anyway. Look, it's dented outwards. I do pick my stairways. Well, it keeps me fit. Look at this bit here. Some temporary structure there, but it's just a massive drop down to the beach. And then I have to climb through this, which was obviously taped off. And I've got to shimmy under that bit at the end there. Well, Well, that's the hairiest bit of my walk this morning over. So I now head down towards the Punta Brava area. I'm going to go into this hotel and show you out the back, because you'll be able to view those rocks from here. So let's go inside. So this is now the Precise Resort Hotel. Recently changed its name. And there is the rear of the rocks. Views down the coast. And that's where we're headed. I don't know if you've noticed anything different in the last few videos. A few people have remarked they don't really like music on the videos, so I thought I'd try it without for a bit and see what you think. Let me know in the comments. I agree, you do see and hear everything authentic and natural. So this will take you straight down to Loro Parque, and it's about 200 yards from here. So the place across the road is the Canarian wrestling ring, and just here is a fabulous little bar restaurant in these little gardens here. It's called La Capello. Not open today, but there you go. Worth a visit. Lovely people that run it as well. That is so funny, that sign. And the whitewashed walls you can see across there, that is Loro Parque. Look at these. Right? Beautiful. And the old Strelitz here. There we are, entrance to Loro Parque. I know some people don't like that place, they call it a zoo. I actually believe they're doing great things, because those animals have been rescued, and they're doing wonderful things in there. So it's worth a visit if you're on holiday. Very good. Brunelli's Steakhouse here. It's part of the Loro Parque. So we've got some great views out the back across the ocean. When you can see the sunset, they've got a retractable glass screen that falls away into the floor. This place here on the corner, Punta Brava, is my favourite pizza place in Tenerife. Truly amazing pizzas. So we're now going to walk down Calle Dr. Fleming. And we've actually come onto the rocks here. These houses are built up on those rocks that you can see from the beach. If you want cheap accommodation, Puerto Nest Hostel on Calle Victor Mercado. Yeah, these houses, as I say, are built on the rocks, and I've heard the waves sometimes very, very strong. I think I'd be a bit frightened living here, to be honest. But it's what you get used to. After all, people don't realise they're on a volcanic island anyway. I'll just go down Calle Pelicar and have a look on the rocks. Gate to the sea. Two guys fishing. Oh, actually a guy there sweeping up, cleaning the stairs. Lots of people go swimming down here. Can you see the little handles there? It's okay to swim today, but to say sometimes the waves are very strong. And look at all the volcanic rock. I love this little passageway here on Calle Gueton. Just walking across the main square here, Plaza Manuel Ballesteros. And I'm going to take you to see a little window. Can you see the little gap? Or the little window? That's called Ventana a Punta Brava. You can see views down to the beach, although I'm not expecting many people to be there today. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.